Hello everyone. Now we'll be reading A Pact with the Sun from Class 6 Supplementary Reader. A Pact with the Sun has been written by Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain was born on 1897 and he passed away on 1969. He was an Indian economist and politician who served as the third President of India from 13th of May 1967 until his death on 3rd of May 1969. Books written by him are Blowing Hot, Blowing Cold, Sunshine for Rama, A Flower's Song, etc. So this is all about the author. Basically, this story it shows the healing power of nature and its importance. It revolves around a girl whose name is Saida and whose mother was sick, and her prayers to the sun help her mother recover from her illness. So basically, this story revolves around Saida and her mother. Okay, now let us move on to the story. Saida's mother had been suffering from fever, cough, body pain, and joint pain. A number of physicians treated her. Even they forbade her normal food. They also advised her to remain in closed room. They asked her to avoid both sunshine and fresh air. But the advice of the physicians did not help Saida's mother. In fact, she needed sunshine and fresh air for good health. But she was deprived of this. Then people suggested her that she should consult a specialist. But she was very poor. However, she knew that life was more precious than money. So what she did? She consulted a specialist. Even she sold her ornaments or jewelries in order to meet the expenditures of medicines. Then she went to specialist. The specialist examined her. He prescribed effective medicines, but those medicines were very costly. The specialist allowed her to eat anything of her taste. He laid most importance on fresh air and sunshine. So the specialist prescribed many medicines. Apart from that, the specialist asked her to sit in the sun every morning from 8 to 9. Specialist also said that fresh air and sunshine are as much important as medicines. Okay. He advised her to sit in a big room with doors and windows open and asked her to sit in the sunlight from 8 to 9 daily. Some people opposed the specialist's advice, but Saida's mother did not listen to their proposals. What she did? She got her bed moved to a bigger room. She desired to sit in the sun on her cot for an hour daily. Okay. But unluckily, it remained cloudy for a few days. For a few days, it remains cloudy. There was no sunshine. So she started lamenting and complaining God. Okay. Saida saw a spot of pale sunshine late in the afternoon. The people forbade Saida's mother to bask in the sun. They told her that it was too late and chilly, so it is better not to go now. So, what Saida did? Saida requested the departing rays of the sun to come the next day with enough warmth and enough brightness. The rays gave her the desired promise because her ailing mother needed their help. Okay, so Saida requested the departing rays to come the next day with lots of warmth and brightness. Next day, the rays were keen to go to the earth early in the morning. After all, they had given a word to Saida. While they were making their way to the earth, the sun said, "It is our day off again. The road to earth is blocked by the clouds." The ray who had given its word to Saida said, "Sir, I can't stay back. I will pierce the clouds to reach Saida's courtyard." The sun rays revolted against the sun to keep their honor. Okay, even they said that if you will not go today, then the people of the earth will say that we the people of heavens or we of heavens have turned liars. Okay, so they revolted against the sun. They focused their heat and clouds scattered. And finally, the sun rays reached the earth a bit late. Saida's mother basked in the sun and breathed in fresh air. Her pale face glowed. The doctor's advice had a magical effect on her, and now she is fully recovered. Maybe she is fully recovered, but she still follows the doctor's advice, that is, an hour of sunlight and lungs full of fresh air every day. Okay? So, this is all about the story. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story, A Pact with the Sun, is that the more person will stay close to natural light and natural air, the higher the quality of his or her life would be. Fresh air and sunlight both have healing powers. So, this much for today. Thank you.